per year basis. A simple interest denoted by I, ayan, letter I po yan ha. Dinidenote siya natin as letter I. Is an interest charge on the principal for the entire duration or period of the loan. It is determined using the following formula. Simple interest is equal to principal times rate times time. And by the way, yung simple interest po, ito po yung tubo or sasabihin natin, tubo po siya nung perang pinahiram po ninyo or hiniram ninyo or ininvest po ninyo. Clear po tayo? Then the rate of interest is expressed in percent, must be converted first to a decimal number before it is substitute in the formula. So dapat po yung ating rate na naka-percent, gagawin po muna natin siyang decimal. Clear po tayo? For example, we have 5 and 1/4 of interest should be converted first to 0.0525. So we have here, as you can see, 5% po siya, di ba? Tama. 5%. So yung 5 po natin, i-convert po natin siya into, 5% po natin, i-convert po natin into decimal. So kung naalala nyo pa, yung tinuro sa inyo ng mga teachers ninyo ng junior high school, ang ginagawa po sometimes, galing po dito sa 5, yan. Galing po dito tayo sa 5. Kunwari po ito ha. Ayan. Ayan, dito na lang. So, 5%. Jump lang po tayo. Pa left side ng dalawang jump. Sorry, tatlo pala. Tatlo for 100 din. Then, lagyan natin to ng point. And yung dalawang jump po dito, lalagyan po natin yan ng 0. Sorry, mali. Dalawang jump lang pala. And dalawang jump.